So for today's video, I'm going to show you the top accounting softwares or top accounting platforms for small businesses. So actually, all of these things right here have their own spotlight or have their own um, exact role to play. So they are basically good at one thing that could actually help small business owners. So let's start with FreshBooks. So FreshBooks is best for very small businesses. So the pros and cons of FreshBooks is delightful user experience, context sensitive settings, some unusual yet helpful features like retainers, project and time tracking, and then they offer good mobile applications. Now for the cons, they have extra costs for team members, dashboard could be better for them, and then they have weak inventory tracking. Now, why is it basically on this list? So, because it's actually a full featured double entry accounting system that happens to offer an exceptional user experience. For these reasons, it's an editor's choice winner in some accounting websites and is one of the first accounting options a small business should consider. Now, moving on, we have QuickBooks. I guess you have already guessed that this would really make this list. So basically, QuickBooks is best for SMBs. Now, for the pros and cons, let's start with the pros first. So the pros are as follows. The pros for QuickBooks is in-depth contact records and transaction forms. They have excellent inventory management and time tracking. They also offer numerous customizable reports, and they support projects, payroll, and many add-ons. And they have terrific mobile applications. Now, the only con that I have found with them is that they're really expensive. So, if you're trying to save up on your budget, you may want to steer clear of QuickBooks because, finance matters, especially in small businesses. But why did it make this list? Because QuickBooks has been the small business accounting service to beat for many years, actually. It puts highly effective accounting functionality into an exceptional user experience. The service stands out because it's easily customizable, comes in multiple versions with hundreds of add on apps, and offers better mobile access than most of their rivals. Okay, so moving on to Wave. So, why is Wave here? Because they are the best for invoicing. Now, for the pros and cons of Wave. So, let's get on with the pros. Most features are free. That's good. Good dashboard, smart selection of features for very small businesses, excellent invoice transaction management, works for businesses that use multiple currencies. Now for the cons, additional fee for scanning and uploading receipts, sparse record templates, invoice customization could be stronger, and then they don't have any dedicated time tracking. Now, why did it make this list? Because Wave has always been free unless you needed payroll and payments. Recently, the company added an $8 per month charge for scanning expense receipts, which puts a dent in its appeal. Though it's still an excellent service that gives you a lot for free, Wave follows standard accounting rules and specially skilled at invoicing and transaction management. Now we're done with Wave. Let's move on to Zoho Books. Okay, this is Zoho Books. So why is it on this list? Because it's best for larger small businesses. So let's talk about the pros and cons. The pros would be depth and flexibility in every module, multiple sales and purchase from types, excellent customizable reports, fast, clean user interface and navigation, and they also offer great mobile apps. I think on this point of this video, you already noticed that almost all of them offer good mobile apps, right? Which is really good because, you can manage your business while on the go. Now, for the cons of Zoho Books, it might be too complex for some smaller businesses. Time tracking must be tied to projects, no inventory assemblies, extra charge for turning uploaded documents into transactions. Now, why did it make this list? Because Zoho Books is the small business accounting element of Zoho's business software ecosystem. So your accounting data can be tightly integrated with numerous related apps and functions like CRM, customer service, and email. Now, Zoho Books' usability, flexibility, and depth in standard bookkeeping areas such as sales and purchases, time and project tracking, and inventory management equals and sometimes surpasses what's offered by its competitors. Now, let's move on to inventory tracking with Sage. All right. So, Sage is best for inventory tracking. So, the pros in using Sage would be great dashboard design, in depth record and transaction forms, advanced inventory management tools, voluminous reports, Microsoft 365 integration. That's one of the best integrations actually, because I think all of us are familiar with, the Microsoft Office suite, the Excel, PowerPoint, Word, all of those. And usually in the business world, we use Excel. So it's really great that Sage could actually integrate smoothly with Excel. Now, let's move over to the cons of using Sage. First, they operate on Windows only. They're also resource heavy. Some UI elements look dated and they don't offer any mobile apps. So this is the first platform that doesn't offer mobile apps. And I guess there's a good reason behind it. Because when data is exported into an Excel sheet, it's actually a large chunk of data. And I think, not all mobile phones are capable of processing large amounts of data, which is might be the reason why Sage doesn't offer any mobile apps. So, however, with those cons given, why is it on this list? Because Sage 50 Accounting, also sometimes known as Sage Accounting or Sage Business Cloud Accounting, is a massive small business accounting application that's designed for desktop use. It's most comprehensive accounting program that I have reviewed, and it does more than what many small businesses need. It costs a bit more as well, and the software offers built-in online connections that support remote work since it integrates with Microsoft 365 Business. Now, we are going to go to the last but not the least on this list, and this platform is good for multi-user small businesses. So it's Zero or Xero. So the pros and cons of using Xero are as follows. So Xero has exceptional online help desk. They also have some new reporting options. They have new 1099 support. They also have thorough contact records, good mobile apps. Now, when we go over to the cons, they don't have any inventory assemblies. Time entries must be tied to projects. Confusing navigation, especially for beginners. Email only personalized support. So if you want a one-on-one or like a human interaction, customer service or support, then you might want to consider other options than Xero. But anyway, why did it make this list? Because Xero supports every major financial element you expect in a double entry small business accounting solution: sales, purchases, bills and expenses, inventory, and payroll. So Xero offers exceptional reports and advanced analytics and provides tools for tracking projects. It makes good use of artificial intelligence to automate processes and improve connectivity with related financial websites. So those are the best accounting platforms that small businesses could use in 2024. So in choosing which one is right for you, again, please do make sure that the platform that you choose aligns best with your personal needs and preferences so that you would have the smoothest and the best experience with them. Most especially that we're going to be talking about, your business and your finances. So you would want what's best for you. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe and comment down below if what accounting platform do you think fits you. This is your homeboy Josh, and I'm gonna see you on the next video. Peace out.